हाय गाइस एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई होप आप लोग सब बहुत ही अच्छे होंगे, खुश होंगे और अपने घर में अपना फैमिली टाइम एंजॉय कर रहे होंगे। सो आज है यहाँ पे फ्राइडे एंड वी फाइनली फाउंड आवर रियल एस्टेट एजेंट एंड टुडे शी केम इन एंड we had a walkthrough of the house and she helped us with a lot of things and she told us that what are the things that we need to take care of before putting our house up in the market for sale. So today in this video I will be sharing with you guys all the things that we are taking care of around the house and what are the things that she has asked me to get it fixed before our house is all set to go up in the market. So yes, let's get started with today's video. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like this kind of a video and you need some help with moving or selling your house and all those things, I will be sharing all my experience over here on my channel. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, then please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, then please subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And with that being said, let's get started with today's video. So अभी कुछ देर पहले ही मेरी रियल एस्टेट एजेंट आई थी and she walked through the entire house, and the first thing that she said to me is that my house is decorated so nicely and it is so clutter free and my house is perfectly staged to go up in the market. And I was so happy to hear that because I'm not at all a professional at this, but after hearing all this from a professional, it was so good and I felt so confident about this and I was so happy about it as well. So she said that I am so good at organizing and decorating and all those things. So we just need to take care of little things here and there. I'll just show you guys what are the things that she showed me to take care of. So yes, let's get started. I'll be taking you guys from like room to room and show you guys that what are the things that she had asked me to work on and what are the things that I will be taking care of. So yes, let's get started. Ayush's room, and as you can see I have already removed a lot of furniture from here. मैंने उसका study table यहाँ से हटा दिया है and she said that this whole room looks perfect and I don't need to do anything. The only thing that I need to take care of is to touch up the paint in this wall because क्योंकि उसका टेबल था तो टेबल की वजह से थोड़ा बहुत scratches है wall में. So I just need to take care of all those things. And other than that, she said to take down all the pictures because you are not supposed to have any personal things on the wall which shows that who all are staying in this house. So इसलिए उसने बोला कि to just take down all the pictures from the wall. That's what I will be taking care of. And she said other than that, this whole room looks perfectly fine and I don't need to take care of anything except for this whole thing over here. She just asked me to take everything off. Then moving on to my office, she said that this room also looks perfectly fine. I just need to take care of the curtains. As you can see, it is broken on one side and I will just change the curtain to a white one. And except for that, if you guys have noticed this ceiling, इसके पहले यहाँ पे बस एक बल्ब लगा हुआ था. हम लोगों को ये इंस्टॉल करवाना पड़ा since we don't have any fixing it. And after I fixed that curtain thing, बस एक दो spots है walls में, like as you can see over here we have a spot, then over here and then यहाँ नीचे भी थोड़े बहुत spots है wall में. So we just need to take care of those spots and so yeah, after that we will be all set with this room as well. तो हम चलते हैं अपने entry way में. So as soon as she entered, she said everything looks good. The only thing that I need to take care of is to remove everything from top because she said that it is a lot cluttered. So these two things she came in with, so she kept these two here and she just asked to keep these over there at the entrance because whoever will come in, they will be using these two. And along with that, she kept this lock thingy here, and this will be kept outside our house along with the keys. It is like something which is related to how many showings had happened and all those things. Like she said to take out this wreath to remove those, and for the shoes she said that only remove the shoes. You can keep the shoe rack here, remove everything from top, remove all these things. And for the rug, she asked me to replace this whole rug with a smaller one because she thinks that a small rug will make the whole space look a little bit huge. So I will be replacing that and just replacing all those items there. And on this wall, she said that this ottoman is fine. I just need to change the pillows with something spring inspired. So I'll be taking care of that. And over here in the hallway, just ignore this because वो जो handyman आया था to fix the lights and the fan, he just kept it here because he will be coming here again tomorrow to put up the fan. So over here, this hallway, she said is fine. We just need to fix up the paint a little bit here and there, and we are all good with this. And the laundry room, she said, is perfectly fine. We don't need to do anything. Then the living area, she said, is fine. We don't need to do anything except for the paint. Then the main thing is the kitchen. So the kitchen, as you can see the wall behind, like we don't have a backsplash in there, so वहाँ पे सारे like oil के छींटे पड़े हुए हैं. So we need to paint this whole wall in the kitchen, like the backsplash area. And she said except for the coffee machine and the fruit stand, she asked me to take off everything out of the counter and just keep it inside the cabinets. So I need to take care of that. And from here, the top of the fridge, मैंने already उसको खाली कर दिया है. उसने बोला था पूरा खाली करने को उसको, मैंने वो खाली कर दिया है. And over here in the window, she asked me to take out everything. I'll be taking care of that. And ये तो बस अभी बस हमारा grocery है, but this whole island will be empty. And then over here in my dining space, I just had a few things here which I just took off from here and I just kept it in the laundry room. So this space is all set and all good to go. And for my patio, she said it's perfectly fine and it looks so good outside. So as for my mandir, I asked her that if I need to take it off because I don't want to. So she said it's fine, you can just keep it there. It just looks like a cute decoration here. So she said that is completely fine with her. I will be taking care of all these things. So the main thing is that I have scheduled a cleaning lady who will be coming in, and she will be cleaning the entire house from top to bottom before the pictures are taken. So I'm so excited for that क्योंकि मैंने आज तक कभी भी cleaning company को नहीं बुलाया है. I used to clean everything on my own, but I really needed some help in my kitchen and my bathroom area because those are the two things कि जो बहुत अच्छे से clean नहीं हो पाता है आप जितना भी कर लो उसे clean. So I really needed some help with my kitchen, bathroom and the windows. Those are the three things that I really needed some help with. So इसलिए I scheduled an appointment, and on Tuesday a cleaning company will be coming in and they will be cleaning everything in the house. So उसके पहले मेरा target है कि I will be taking care of everything वो जो मुझे fix करना है, so that once she comes in and she cleans the entire house, after that my house will be all set to hit the market. So yes, those were the things that my real estate agent asked me to take care of. Except for those, she said that my house is in a perfect condition and everything is all good to go. And so yeah, I was so excited to hear that there are only a few things, and especially my closets, those are a complete disaster. So I'll just show you guys like what are the condition of my closet, so you can understand that what I'm talking about and where I'm coming from. And as you can see, it is a complete mess and I cannot even find anything over here. So I just need to tackle this today and put everything in its actual place and make space for everything. Let me show you guys my closet. It's really embarrassing, but here we go. Just look at this. Oh my god, I have been neglecting it for so long now. Just look at this, you guys. I cannot even step in here. This is so disgusting. So yes, as you guys have seen the condition of my closet, it was horrible. I need to take care of it and in the next video I will be showing you guys how my closet looks like and what is the exact condition afterwards. So I'm so excited for you guys to show the before and the after of all my organized space. That was it for today's video and all the renovations and house projects that are coming up, and I'm so excited to be taking you guys along with me on this journey to moving and selling my house and all those sorts of things. I hope you guys are liking this content on my channel and enjoying all my videos over here. If you like this kind of a video, then please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, then please subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And with that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.